Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi umentri rang ba ka jela konrat ke sama la ther ya ka VPP bat kentu ya ka banle ya ka ba layalap halor ka jinya da ya ka kendau bat ka siap bat ka jingdon menta jong ki bosen syatan rai. Haba jubab ikish potoli ki majin dawa jong u president ka VPP ba ardan mila ba soy moy hapo hinder ba thau ain u konrat ula ong ba ka sorkar ka thit Jakarta na mentagi projek paj ba hadin balabut ya ki kendon bat iyo ji menjur naka kinhon menteri ula Kdew ya ka Shillong airport bat New Shillong township kum kanuksa henreu konrat ula kantho ya ka jimpen kala jong ka HADC ya ka section khanreu jong kalan bil ak aja penreu ka bakat kum mau Kawei ya ka jindon kam bania selok shwa bat ki dorbar shnong dorbar raj bat ki dorbar himah ula ong bakane ka jinya persya ya ka jinya lap jong ka VPP halor ka jing syai bat ka jinya da ya ki bosen syatan rai le ya ka ba phi layalap penrung lang ya ka bosen syatan rai wat I syabar ya ka sur paj ba ula ong
certifies that the price is reasonable and only then is the proposal considered. The final decision on purchasing any land is made collectively by the cabinet. This again, sir, is a very important practice we started. Any procurement of land cannot be done in isolation by any department. The decision is taken at the cabinet, where entire cabinet and government machinery is involved, sir. So this is exactly how the land for Shillong airport expansion and the new Shillong township were acquired, sir. So the government is following all due processes and is procuring land only for projects that unlock vast opportunities for the youth of the state. So here I would like to state that while we are looking at protecting our land, which of course, sir, this is something which is sentimental and, at the heart of what our tradition and our culture is. So government has always maintained a balance. There has never been a situation where we have bulldozed in any way. There has never been a situation where we go from the back door and get the sale of any land done. Everything is done in a procedure and a manner that is known to all. And as mentioned by the honorable member and the mover of this short duration, he mentioned that the community should be taken into consideration. And sir, I agree totally with that particular aspect. But I would also like to stress that the honorable member and his political party should practice what they preach. So today, you're aware, sir, that there is an act of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2026. And there is a clause there in section 16, which says that in section 16 of the Principal Act, the word, quote, after prior consultation with respective Dorbar Shnongs, Dorbar Rai, and Dorbar Hima, unquote, appearing after the words Executive Committee shall be deleted. So this particular amendment is quite unfortunate. And I must say it goes completely against the principle that was just mentioned in this discussion that we are having today. And I quote again, community should be taken into consideration, sir. Whereas in the Khasi Hills District Council, this particular act today is being amended to remove the Rangbashnongs, remove the Ride, as well as the Hima from this entire procedure of participation, sir. So where is the fairness? Where is the fairness? And sir, when we talk about ensuring that there must be a system of transparency, there must be a procedure in which all the different aspects are involved. Sir, our forefathers had that sight, had that vision. They knew that this must be done. And that is why today, sir, we have traditional institutions and setups. We have Rangbashnongs, we have the Rai, and we have the Hima, precisely to ensure that multiple checks and balances are there in our traditional system. And this system has been followed for decades and centuries, sir, I must say. And therefore, I urge, sir, that maybe this particular demand that is there, I would like to put this demand back to VPP. And I would like to also put my charter of demand on VPP to the KHADC and tell them that please practice what you preach. Please involve the traditional institutes. Please ensure that community is not left behind. I think that is very, very important. I totally agree with what the honorable member has mentioned, sir. So the next point is the securing of secure Meghalaya by stopping